Welcome to a smarter way of trading with this revolutionary AI-powered signal app, designed to help traders make accurate and timely decisions in the market. Whether you're new to trading or an experienced professional, this app provides everything you need to succeed. With real-time signals, advanced market analysis, and an easy-to-use interface, this app is your ultimate companion for maximizing profitability and minimizing risks. Let's dive into how this app works, its key features, and essential tips to get the most out of it. This app uses advanced algorithms to analyze the market and generate accurate buy and sell signals. Its sophisticated design helps identify trends, calculate moving averages, and track the overall market direction. As you can see, the app provides clear, actionable signals that are easy to understand. Whether the market is trending up or down, the app's AI ensures you're equipped with the insights you need to make informed trading decisions. Some of the key features include real-time notifications, trend analysis, and automated trading options. For example, with the Auto Trader feature, you can automate your trades based on predefined strategies, saving you time and reducing the stress of manual trading. The app also integrates tools like moving averages and trend lines, giving you a clear picture of market momentum. And the best part? You can monitor your performance with transparent metrics like win-loss ratios and signal accuracy rates. But even with such a powerful tool at your fingertips, trading success depends on your strategy. Let's explore 10 essential tips that every trader should follow. First, always have a plan. Before placing a trade, define your entry, exit, and stop-loss levels. A clear plan keeps you focused and helps you avoid impulsive decisions. Second, manage your risk wisely. It's recommended to risk only 1 to 2% of your account balance on a single trade to protect your capital. Next, always follow the trend. Remember, the trend is your friend. Trading with the market's momentum significantly increases your chances of success. Be patient and wait for quality setups. The app generates reliable signals, so avoid chasing trades that aren't backed by data. Diversify your investments to spread your risk across multiple trades. This reduces the impact of any single loss on your overall balance. Controlling your emotions is another key aspect of successful trading. Fear and greed are common pitfalls, but sticking to your strategy will help you avoid emotional decisions. After each trade, take time to review your performance. Analyzing both wins and losses will help you refine your approach over time. Also consider combining technical and fundamental analysis. While the app provides excellent technical signals, understanding market news and events can give you an additional edge. Avoid overtrading. It's easy to get carried away, but remember, quality over quantity is what matters. Focus on high-quality setups rather than chasing every signal. Finally, stay disciplined. Consistency is the key to long-term success in trading. Stick to your plan and avoid deviating from your strategy, even during volatile market conditions. Now, let's talk about risk management, one of the most important aspects of trading. This app allows you to set take-profit and stop-loss levels, ensuring you lock in profits while limiting potential losses. This feature is a game-changer for traders who want to minimize risks and stay in control of their trades. Pair this with a solid strategy like the fixed percentage risk approach or the martingale system to further optimize your results. The app's Auto Trader feature is perfect for those who want to trade hands-free. Once you've set your strategy, the Auto Trader executes trades automatically based on the app's signals. This not only saves time, but also eliminates the emotional aspect of trading, ensuring that every decision is based on data and logic. Let's look at the app's advantages. First, it's incredibly efficient. Instead of spending hours analyzing the market, you can rely on the app's real-time insights to make quick and accurate decisions. Second, it's transparent. The app tracks your trading results, including profits, losses, and overall win rates, so you always know how you're performing. Third, it's convenient. Whether you trade part-time or full-time, the app integrates seamlessly into your routine. And lastly, it's precise. With its advanced algorithms and reliable signals, this app significantly increases your chances of success. If you're wondering how to start, it's simple. Download the app, set up your trading preferences, and begin with a clear plan. Use the app's tools to analyze trends, monitor signals, and automate your trades. Don't forget to review your results regularly. Learning from each trade, whether it's a win or a loss, will help you grow as a trader and refine your strategies over time. Trading is not just about luck, it's about strategy, discipline, and using the right tools. This AI Signal app empowers you to trade smarter, not harder. By following the tips shared today, you can maximize your profitability while minimizing risks. Remember to stay patient, focus on quality trades, and control your emotions. So, are you ready to elevate your trading game? Download the app today and experience the power of AI-driven trading. Start your journey to smarter trading decisions and a brighter financial future. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow traders. Together, let's achieve financial success. Thanks for watching.